So first is thank you so much, Santosh sir, for having me here. It is my privilege to be a part of this journey with you. It's been today what almost 12 years with you, continuously growing and making an organization which is sustainable. I still remember the first time when we met. That was the year 2008, where the recession was globally alive. And that was the time I had heard you for the first time saying that I am not participating in this recession. That was a time when, honestly, I was not in a position to understand. I thought this is something which is not a part of what I used to think. But yes, today when there is a lockdown across the globe, yeah, I have made a decision, the same thing which you had taught me back in 2008. I am not going to participate in this lockdown. I am going to unlock myself the very first day. And yeah, thanks to you, Santosh sir, thanks to the complete team of Smart for helping me change my mindset, thinking through differently, as you rightly said now. Being the best, the first, and the fastest is what I have learned in the last 12 years with you. It has been a fabulous journey. The first session of Gurukul that I still recollect, you had told me that we all are here to make a Taj Mahal. That was the time I could see the Taj Mahal right in front of me. And yes, for the last 12 years, I have been continuously with my team, with the complete organization, trying to build the Taj Mahal, which I had dreamt of. And yeah, proud to be sharing with you today in the last 12 years of journey, starting from the top line of the organization which I was running then, which was a 45 crore organization, today reaching at 850 crores. It has been a fabulous journey. I really enjoyed this. But yes, this was not possible, sir, without your support, without your guidance, without your mentorship. The learnings throughout these 12 years in different courses that I have been part of. It may be the Gurukul courses, it may be the Re-Gurukul, Ecosystem Gurukul, the Nirvana Gurukul, and many other training sessions that I have attended at Shanmukanand. Yeah, it has been a learning throughout. Now, the first thing that again I learned from you was something which I started back in 12 years back, was reading books. That is what you had injected in my blood, that I need to keep on learning. So that was the time I started reading books. And yes, it has been a continuous progress for me. How do I keep my team motivated is through the learnings I gather across different mediums. And I keep on brainstorming with my team. I keep on sharing my thoughts with my team and continuously focusing on what is the next that is going to be built in the making of the Taj Mahal. If you ask anybody in my organization today, everybody is here fighting hard for making an organization, building an organization that is going to live for the next 100 years from now. So that is what has been our thought process, brought into my head by you and the complete team of Smart. I really would take this opportunity at this forum to thank you, sir, for having that mindset in me.
Yeah.
The first thing that actually happens in the organization is the change of mindset of the entrepreneur. The movement from the chief executive officer to becoming an entrepreneur was amazing. Today, when I was recently speaking to one of the member of Smart, which is Shwetali, I said when I sit at home today in this lockdown period, I do not have anything actually to do except for maximum of 2 hours. Rest of the time, what I do is I think what is to be done next big. I only think as a head of this organization, my job here is to take few important decisions and plan for the future. What is that is something important for me to make an organization that's going to live for the next 100 years.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, if
Thank
you
you very
talk about
much.
Taj Mahal has been living for the last 400 years. Yes, the same is the thought for my organization that's going to live for the next 100 years. one important thing to everybody as a participant here, which you are taught me. Can I afford a few hundred rupees or few thousand rupees or a few lakh rupees for building an organization for the movement of 45 crore to 850 crore? Yes, it was the right decision of investing and moving and jumping those leaps, taking those phenomenal leaps and reaching to this position today. Proud to be a part of your team, sir. Under your guidance, under your mentorship. Yeah, I have always been growing, and that's a commitment to you, sir. I will always grow. I will never ever let you down. With as I always talk about you, my guru, your Shishya. This Shishya will never let you down, sir. That's a commitment from you, sir.